Pitaka has always been known for their minimalist aramid fiber cases, but for this year, for the brand new Galaxy S26 Ultra, they've actually added a brand new feature to their cases, and it's called the Aaron button. And I know you're probably wondering, what is an Aaron button? And I was wondering the same thing, and I'll tell you about it in just a second. In this video, I'm going to be going over everything that you need to know about this brand new Pitaka case. And if you guys do want to pick them up yourself, I will be putting product links in the video description. So we've got three new cases here. We've got one which is the gray and black, we've got the Moonrise, and we've also got the Sunset. And like I mentioned before, they've got brand new buttons called the Aaron buttons. And basically what they are is they're NFC tagged buttons that you can use to pretty much do whatever you want. So it adds 3 extra buttons to your phone, and it's quite invaluable because I was just using mine the other day to look at some anniversary ideas for my wife, and she was actually sitting right next to me trying to peek at what I was looking at on my phone. And what I did was I set up one of these buttons to turn on privacy mode, so instead of having to go into the settings, turn on privacy mode, all I needed to do was quickly press the button and she could no longer see what I was looking at on my phone. It's really cool. These cases are again made of aramid fiber through and through. They are super light, very thin, and they also have MagSafe built in. So I'm going to put my phone inside the case here, and I'll show you exactly how these buttons work. So if you like the way that your phone feels without a case on it, these cases will be perfect for you because, again, they're super thin. It feels like you're actually just holding the phone in your hand. They're not slippery, but they do have like a smooth type of feel. If you've ever felt aramid fiber, it's got a really cool texture to it. It helps keep down fingerprints, and it's also scratch resistant. And again, you can see how thin it actually keeps your phone. It's pretty much just as thin as without the case on it. You can also see that there's just a very slight raised edge to protect your screen. So I would definitely recommend putting on a tempered glass screen protector if you're going to go with the minimalist case, but that's just my opinion. It is also a full coverage case, except for where the buttons are on the side here. We've got a little cutout for our charging port, for our S Pen, and everywhere else it's pretty much covered on the phone. We do have that aramid fiber on the back. Looks really cool, feels really cool too. And we also do have a plastic ring that comes up a little bit higher than our camera lenses for some protection there too. Now, like I mentioned before, it also does have MagSafe built in, so let's test that out. I've got my MagSafe charger here, clips onto the back, charges your phone immediately, and as far as the hold, it's got a strong hold on the back of your phone. So you really don't have to worry about your phone just coming off your MagSafe accessory. It's held on there pretty good, and you can also rotate it 360 degrees pretty easily. Very nice. So now about those Aaron buttons, let me show you how to set it up, and it's very easy. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that your NFC is turned on your phone. So go into settings, you're going to go into connections, and you're going to turn on NFC and contactless payments. Once you've done that, you want to install the Aaron button app. Now, you don't have to go anywhere to really do this. All you need to do is press and hold one of the buttons on the side, and it'll actually take you to a link to where you can download the app. Once you've downloaded the app, you can log in, and we'll go right into it. And it's got some like things that you can do to assign to the buttons very easily, but you can also do this with the modes and routines in your phone, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. The app makes things much easier, but there might not be some things in this app that you can use that you will use in the modes and routines. So something in here that was pretty easy and quick that I would always use is sound and mute. So instead of having to go into your phone or lowering down your volume to mute your phone, you can very quickly push one of the Aaron buttons on the side. So the way that you set it up is you just pick the one you want, say apply shortcut, and then hold in the button on the side, and you're pretty much done. So confirm, and then we'll test it out. So I'm already on mute here. You can see if I press in the button on the side, it unmutes my phone, and if I want to mute it again, press it again. Very quick, very easy, and it just works. So if you want to do more than that, say make your privacy mode come on with the touch of the button, we can do that with the modes and routines. So we'll just go into our modes and routines. I've already got it set up, but I'll show you really quick how to do it. So this is to turn it on. We'll delete that. So all you need to do is press the plus button on top. We'll say if, and we'll go to NFC tagged. And then we're going to press and hold the button that we want to turn on the privacy mode. So I'm going to press and hold that button. It's assigned, and then we just need to name it. So we'll say privacy, if I can spell, privacy on, done, and then hit then. And we'll look for privacy mode, which is there, privacy display, and we'll hit on, and I want max privacy, and click done, save, and then you hit done again. And then if you want to turn on privacy mode, you just press and hold that one button, and it turns on privacy mode. Now for the privacy display, if you want to turn it off, you have to set another button to do that because there is no toggle. But these buttons seem to work pretty good, and they're very quick. And instead of having to open up an app or go into your settings, you can just press that button and you're done. So you can set it to do a lot of things. Like I showed you, you can set it to control some of your settings. You can have it open up an app very quickly. And it came in handy when my wife was trying to spy on me when I was trying to find out things or get some ideas for our anniversary. So that is very cool. The sunset looks really nice. I'm going to put on the moonrise now. So the easiest way I found to take this case off, because it's not going to just come off by itself, is to kind of hold it like this. Put your thumbs in on each one of the corners on the top and put your finger over one of your camera lenses, and we're going to push back with our thumbs and push through with our finger on the camera. And this should come off pretty easily on our phone. And there you go. So that's the easiest way I found to take the cases off. And here is the moonrise. I think that goes really good with the purple. That looks really cool. I love the aramid fiber texturing. It feels so cool. That looks really nice. Now I'll put on the gray. Very nice. The old classic gray, always a winner, no matter what color phone you have. Looks really cool. Now, one thing to note is the gray black does not have the same texturing as like the moonrise or the sunset. These have more of a texture to them, whereas the black and gray is more subtle. But I think that looks pretty cool. I think my favorite is the moonrise. I just like the blue. It goes really good with the purple. But which one of these cases is your favorite and why? Let me know in the comments below. I'd also really like to know what you would use the Aaron buttons for, other than, trying to keep your wife from seeing your screen. So these were the Pitaka Ultra Slim cases with the brand new Aaron button. And again, if you guys want to pick these up, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please let me know by hitting the like button and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.